All right, students, so we made it to the final step for solving for the position. Let's take a look at how we do this. So in order for us to do this, we need the position with average acceleration formula. So that's going to be displacement final is equal to displacement initial plus the initial velocity multiplied by delta t plus 1/2 multiplied by the acceleration multiplied by delta t squared. So let's plug in our values. Displacement final is what we're solving for. Displacement initial, this is going to be 0 because according to our number line, we didn't put the train at a particular spot. And we're just going to add the initial velocity, which is 22.2 meters per second. Delta t is how long did it take the train to stop. That is going to be 31.7 seconds. And then we just continue on, plus 1/2 the acceleration. So we go negative 0.7 meters per second squared multiplied by delta t, 31.7 seconds squared, that whole thing divided by 2. So all we have to do is just make sure that we square 31.7 seconds. We square that first, multiply by the negative 0.7 meters per second squared, divide that in half, and let's solve for that one. All right, so let's start off on the right side. So let's go ahead and square the time. So we go 31.7 times 31.7. So that value is going to be 1,004 we'll just say 0.9. And now the seconds is squared. We're going to multiply that by negative 0.7. So we'll just continue down here. So it's going to be negative 703.4. Divide that by 2. So therefore it's going to be negative 351.7. And with the unit that we're left with is meters. So we're going to add 22.2 multiplied by 31.7. So 22.2 times 31.7. That's going to be 703.7. And if we multiply seconds and seconds, actually, seconds is at the bottom, so they cancel out. So we're actually left with 703.7 meters. So displacement final is equal to 703.7 minus 351. So therefore, displacement final is equal to 352.04 meters. Or we could just say 352 meters. And so let's check if the truck survived. So the truck was 400 meters away, and it traveled 352 meters, so the truck survived. So did the engineer brake in time to avoid the collision? Yes. And how long does it take the train to stop? That is going to be 31.7 seconds.